Hey, thanks for joining me today. Today I want to talk about one of the most important functions in R, and that is how to read in data. Now the data set I'm using comes from New Orleans crime for January 2021. So some of the libraries that I'm going to use is Read Excel, which is reading in Excel files, Write Excel, which is be able to write to Excel files, Read R, which is used for CSV files, Tidyverse, which is a whole group of packages that are really useful, and ggplot for plotting. So currently I have my file saved in my desktop. So right now I'm going to try to read that into R. So I'm going to use the read CSV function, and then I'm going to read it in this file. So I'm also going to use the view command to actually see what this file looks like. So this file is looking at crimes committed in January 2021 in New Orleans, and it's looking at different types of crime. So I'm also going to use the read Excel file to read in the same data but in Excel format. And I'll use the glimpse command here to kind of show you what the data looks like in a different angle from wide. And I also have a plot that I made in R, and I'm going to read that into read RDS. And saving stuff in RDS is really useful. It's specific to R, so you can read it anything in R. You can read in plots, models, anything you can think of. You can use this read RDS and save your files and write to it. So I'm reading in this plot, and this is what this plot looks like. And if you're interested in learning how I kind of made this plot right here, I can show you really quick. So basically right here I have some data that I want to filter out, some categories that I don't want. And then I'm going to take this data set, I'm going to group it by the types of crime, with this group by function, and then I'm going to count that, and then I'm going to arrange it by the most. And then I'm going to filter out right here the list of types of crime that I do not want. And then I'm going to grab the first 20 rows, and then I'm going to change it to a factor, and then I'm also going to reorder it and reverse it from largest to smallest for the plot to make it look pretty good. So let me show you what that looks like real quick. So these are my top 20 types of crime in New Orleans for January. So right now I'm going to plot this using ggplot. And this is what it looks like, the end result. Well, hope you enjoyed this really quick video about how to read in your data.